Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel One True Sleep. Today, in this video, let's learn about how to fix TikTok live audio delay problem on PC. So let's get started. For that, let's get into any browser and search for this link, that is support.tiktok.com, and we get into this interface. Now, in this search bar, you can simply search for a problem, that is audio delay. And if you do not find it, simply click on report a problem or delay. Now in the bottom you can see this option, that is report a problem. Simply click on it. Here we need to write our problem, that our TikTok live is having the audio delay. Once you write your entire problem and the details, you can click on the icon over here to upload any screenshot of your problem. And once you are done with all of this, simply click on submit in the bottom and your problem will be addressed and fixed by the help center of TikTok. So that is all, and if you like the video, please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.